Welcome to Jim Wernig Chevrolet's Fireside Chats. This is our first installment in a series of videos where we'll try to address the many questions that we receive from customers involving the car buying experience. Hopefully, we can help give you some tips and tricks on how to get the best dealership experience possible. One of the recurring questions we get is, how much does my credit score really affect my monthly payment? We decided to ask a professional to see what they had to say. Here's Finance Manager Mark Hogan. Mark, how much does your credit score really affect your payment?
A lot. Like, a lot.
Thanks, Mark. So we understand not everybody's situation is as cookie cutter as it may seem. Every situation is truly different. The absolute best way to get the most accurate pricing on your new car is to schedule an appointment to stop in and speak with one of our qualified product specialists. They're here to help you navigate through the modernized world of the car shopping experience and explain all the ins and outs of purchasing or leasing your next vehicle. Until next time, you better tell Grandma to watch out for those reindeer.